Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of Agent Opus. In this video, I'm going to break down everything you need to know about Agent Opus. We'll talk about what it actually is, who it's for, its biggest features, the pricing, the pros and cons, and whether this is actually the best way to create AI videos in 2026. Let's break it down. Agent Opus is essentially an AI video agent designed to automate the video creation process from start to finish. Instead of opening traditional editing software and manually creating scenes one by one, the platform tries to behave like an intelligent creative assistant. The idea behind it is pretty simple. You provide content in almost any format, and the AI turns it into a fully produced video. For example, you can paste a script, upload an audio recording, use a blog article, submit a news URL, upload images, or even type a rough idea. Then Agent Opus analyzes the information and automatically creates scenes, transitions, animations, narration, motion graphics, and visuals that match the story. And honestly, this is what makes the platform interesting compared to many AI video tools out there. Let's get started with the main features. Script to video. One of the biggest features is a script to video. This is where you paste a written script and the AI automatically transforms it into a complete video with visuals and narration. Audio to video. That's another really powerful feature. You can upload audio files like podcast, video recordings, or narration tracks, and Agent Opus creates visuals around the audio automatically. AI UGC and ad creation. Agent Opus also supports AI-generated UGC content and ad style content. This feature allows creators and brands to upload product photos, logos, assets, or reference images, and then the AI builds marketing videos around them. Custom AI avatars. The platform also lets users create custom AI avatars using uploaded photos. You can even combine this with voice cloning. So theoretically, you could create an AI version of yourself that narrates videos automatically. This opens up some really interesting possibilities for personal branding, multilingual content, automated content production, and scaling YouTube channels. Voice cloning. Voice cloning is another standout feature. You can upload or record a short voice sample, and Agent Opus can clone the voice for narration. This is useful because it keeps content feeling personal even when much of the production is AI assisted. And for creators that are building a brand around their voice, this can save massive amounts of recording time. Now, what is the pricing like? There is the free plan where you can start to explore Agent Opus for free, no credit card required, and you get 60 credits per month. That's 2 videos, 30 seconds each. Now, if you want to do more, then you can go for the pro version. There's currently a 50% off if you pay yearly, and you pay $14.5 instead of the $29 per month. There's a max plan at $64.5, also currently 50% off if you do a yearly subscription. With this, you have more videos. Now, what are the pros and cons of using Agent Opus? We'll start with the pros. It has an extremely fast workflow, it is beginner friendly, strong visual consistency, multi-format inputs, and it's useful for businesses. How about the cons? The credit cost can add up, and AI still isn't perfect. Creative control limitations are there, and there's heavy dependence on AI quality. Now, the big question is this: is Agent Opus actually the best way to create AI videos right now? Honestly, I think the answer depends on what kind of creator you are. If your goal is maximum speed, automation, and scalability, then Agent Opus is definitely one of the most exciting AI video platforms available right now. And that's it on the review of Agent Opus. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Synthesia, Runway ML, and Pika Labs. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.